Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Disconnect external monitors unless you need them and make sure you have admin access. First, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. This is where Windows controls resolution and scaling. Once there, look at the detected displays and choose the internal panel. You want the native resolution selected and scaling at 100% or recommended, otherwise things appear zoomed. If settings reset, note the current values so you can restore them later. Next, focus on the middle steps that actually fix size problems. Check Device Manager for the display adapter and update the driver. If a recent driver broke sizing, roll back instead. Then open Advanced Display Settings and Adapter Properties to set the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. Make sure HDR or custom scaling isn't forcing odd sizes. Once done, run Windows Update and any OEM utilities, Lenovo Vantage, HP Support Assistant, to sync firmware. To finish, apply the chosen settings and sign out or restart so the system commits changes. Some drivers require a reboot to reinitialize the panel. Test across apps, full screen video, and the desktop to confirm proportions and that nothing is cropped. If the problem persists, boot to safe mode and uninstall the display driver, then reinstall the correct OEM driver. Important troubleshooting tip. If scaling remains wrong, create a system restore point before driver changes so you can revert quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.